Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the device. That's essential. Once done, confirm the Google or Samsung account linked to the phone and gather the IMEI or serial number from the box or receipt. Make sure the phone has at least half charge and can connect to the internet, because most non-destructive recovery options require online access. Also enable a computer with account credentials ready. These steps prevent unnecessary resets and speed the legitimate unlock process. Next, use official recovery tools. Use Google's Find My Device to locate, ring, or if supported, secure the device. Sign in with the registered Google account. For Samsung phones, use Find My Mobile to unlock remotely. It often avoids data loss. If you can't sign in, follow account recovery flows to reset passwords on the associated email. This may take time, but preserves data. If any service prompts device verification, provide the IMEI or receipt details you prepared earlier. If account recovery and official tools fail, stop and contact the carrier or the manufacturer's authorized service center with proof of ownership. They can often unlock or reprovision accounts without data loss. Authorized repair shops may help, but insist on documented ownership and a written estimate. Make factory reset your absolute last option because it erases user data. Troubleshooting tip: if a service asks for more verification, remain patient and provide receipts and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.